Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about the EV of customer value propositions and the customer relationships. So obviously I am going to tell about the value propositions in EV. So in that connection to CPU control network of EVCPs and the EVCPs management and maintenance services. So it provides of access to charging data and technical services, provision of direct charging, access to EVCs. And then next to the topic of customer relationship, it is automated to the perfect scenario and it's personalized in case of taking us a lot of issues to the EV.
Hello, my name is Nanda. I say the key activities, uh, technical and customer supports and repeats professionals of online EVCP transformations and supports pressures, installations and management of EVCP key resources, network of maintenance, IT platforms for EVCP management, HR with specific skills development. Thank you.
When we talk about the key partners of electric vehicles, it usually refers the strategic collaboration needed across the industries, making EV development, adaptation, the operation successful. The partnerships are the crucial because of EV innovative, automotive, electrical and digital and energy that are working together. Here the automobile manufacturers and battery suppliers use the key partnership with the companies Tata Motors, Tesla, Hyundai and partners with the battery producers like CATL, LG Chem, XA. It ensures the reliable supply of the lithium-ion batteries and future for the solid-state technologies. The charging is provided by the utility companies. In partnership with the battery companies and infrastructure, the energy provision of the Tata Power charging point and charging point technologies, the collaboration with the state electric boards and the grid integration with the renewable energy based charging, like a solar, wind power, and moreover, what are the renewable energy we get from the private sector and also the government sectors. The policy of a government makes to the EVs. The government provides the subsidies, stock benefits, and incentives for the buying a e-vehicles. A public-private partnership, the PPS, to build a large-scale and small-scale charging networks. Technology firms a software developers. The EV needs an advanced battery management system, used by IoT AI-based route planning. The partnership with each and tech frames is a Google Map integration, telemetry integration, and road assistant technology used. The research and institution universities the R&D collaboration for a lightweight materials, efficient motors, and alternative for the wheel alignments and more sectors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kamali. Let me explain the channels and customer segment of the EV charging point business model. First, the channels. The channels are basically the ways through which the company reaches and surveys its customers. In the model, there are three main types of channels. The first one is company representatives who directly interact with customers to provide service and handle queries. The second channel is the network of management EV charging points where users can directly access charging facilities, and the third channel is online platforms such as websites, emails, telephone and social media. Customer segments. There are groups of peoples or organizations that the company surveys. The first segment is mobility service providers or MSPs, whose act as intermediaries and manage service for EV users. The second segment is EV users themselves, and they can be divided into two groups: those which an MSP subscriptions and when they charge.
Hello, everyone. I'm going to explain the cost structures and revenue streams in the EV business. Basically, the cost structures are the manufacturing cost. First of all, we need to manufacture the EVs in our own place or in our mini rental place. This actually cost one. Next, we have the R&D cost, the research and development. If we need to develop an EV, we first of all need to make the research and then we need to develop the solutions. If we found a problem in any of the EVs, we have to rectify it in our EV and then we have to deliver it. This will give us an advantage in selling and also give us a profit. Next, we have the cost structure of the employee cost. It is because of the employees we are having in our company. The employees who are working in us should be paid equally to everyone and also give any incentives or even promotions. This also cost to the company. Next, we have the revenue streams. Revenue streams are fully of the cost or the money we have gotten from the customers. This basically is the cost that we have gained through our hardships and our works. This cost is pretty lesser in sometimes, and if we have a quality product, we can give it as more profit in our revenue streams. And we also have a revenue stream of getting the EV charging stations. These charging stations, first of all, have an initial cost structures, but later it gives the revenues of frequently charging by the EV customers. The more and more the EV gets delivered, the more and more the charging gets streamed. This way of delivering and getting it is also one of the revenue streams. Right.